Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Shilpa Data Insights.
So in this video, we are going to discuss how to do a pivot and unpivot of our data. So what exactly pivot means? Pivot means to transpose the list of values of a column to a particular column. And unpivot means transposing the columns into a list of values. So let's see what does that mean. I will show you that in this particular screen. So pivot means I have a table and I have three columns, that is product, amount and country. Okay. In this product, amount and country, I have four countries: USA, China, Canada and Mexico. So I want to go ahead and get the amount of sales that each country is making for each product. So how we can do it? I will put each country, that is USA, China and Canada and Mexico, into separate columns here. So if I have them in the separate columns, then I have this product: TV, laptops, books, phones, right? So all these are the products that I wanted in each row. So let's say I will take the example of mobile phone. The mobile phone amount is 2000 for USA country. So each country is having a separate amount, 2000. So it will be summed up. So I want the sum of each amount. So if you will see for USA, for mobile phone, it is 4000 because we are summing it up. So that is actually a pivot. And what is an unpivot? Unpivot means basically I will go ahead and separate each entity of the column into each row. So all the USA will be in each row, China will be in each row, Canada will be in each row. That's how the separate entities of each column will be in each row. And the amount will be divided among them. So that is what is unpivot. So let's see that in the practical sessions. So I have my cluster ready. I'm importing some modules here and I'm creating a data. The data that I have is my product, amount and the country. And I will be creating a data frame out of it. If you don't know how to create a data frame, watch my previous video in which I've explained you how to create a data frame, how to create a schema out of the columns and how to display it. Okay, so right now I've created a data out of the data frame. This is my data, that is the product is a string, amount is long and country is my string. So this is my data and I want to pivot it on the basis of the country and group it by my product so that I can get the sum of each amount for each particular country for each product. Okay, so I will be looking at this, that is I will be grouping it by product. Okay, and then I will be pivoting it by country and getting the amount with the sum of each amount for the product for each particular country. So let me execute this particular statement. So you will see and you will get three columns basically. Initiate multiple columns. Each country will be a separate column in this case with the product entity. And the sum will be the values of each entity of a particular product. So the sum of TV for USA is 1000, for mobile phones it's 4000. Okay. Now if in case you want to unpivot, this means you want the Canada, China, Mexico and USA in each row. You don't want it as a column, but you want one column called country, and inside that country you want each country to be a separate row and the product as the product that you have it here. So the first column will be product, the second column will be the country and the third column will be the sum of the amount, right? So it is same as this. So from there you want to get the original data frame. So how you can do it? So for that you can stack everything. So there are three entities here. I'm taking Mexico, China and Canada. So there are three. And I have my country and I have my total. So I am putting it inside my expression and I'm selecting the product and the unpivot thing that I will be getting it here. and I will be filtering it out where the total is not null basically. So let me execute this particular statement. Now you see the product, country and total we are getting. So this is how you can do an unpivot and you can pivot it. If you don't know how to do a group by, how you can do a aggregation, how you can select the columns, or how you can create a data frame, if you have any doubts in it, please watch my previous video and you will be able to learn how to do them. Or you can watch my complete playlist as well. If you have learned something new in this, how to pivot and unpivot, please subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, and like the video.
Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you have a good day.